Right, hello there and welcome to the latest video from the Tucker Videos, and today I am at Chester, which is on the North Wales line, and also could be, you could say, on the Virgin Trains route as well, but that's not really an official route. The first tip was of 15237, which was an Arriva Trains Wales service to Merseyrail from Holyhead, the 14:20 departure. About to depart platform 3 is 175-103. And that 175-103, and that's on the 14:24 departure for Holyhead from Cardiff Central, which was the unit that just brought me in. So, which is about to depart. So today here at Chester we'll be seeing services from Arriva Trains Wales, Virgin Trains, I think one or two from Northern Trains, and hopefully also some Merseyrail as well. But I think that's platform 7B, and I can't quite tell just on a quick look where that actually is. Platform 7B. Down there on platform 5 we have a Virgin Trains Supervisor class 221, but I'll walk down and get the number for it in a minute. Chester does look like a decent station, and hopefully I'm gonna have an enjoyable time here. So, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Chester. Right, coming in now is a terminating Merseyrail service from Liverpool, 508117. Right, departing out now is 508117 with the 14:31 Merseyrail service to Liverpool Central. And so that's another new operator and type of units that I've now ticked off. The first sighting of a Merseyrail service and a Merseyrail unit in one of my videos. 508117. Merseyrail also run services using the class 507 units, which are quite similar to those class 508 units. That one of the 508 units just leaving. Right, coming in now is the second half of the 14:35 Virgin Trains service to London Euston, with a delayed arrival from Holyhead. This unit 221105, which I believe is going to be the rear unit. The other 221, which I pointed out to you earlier, is going to be the front unit, I believe. Right, departing out now, 11 minutes late, is the 14:35 Virgin Train service to London Euston. (221-108) on the front and 221-105 on the rear, with the 14:35 to London Euston, calling now at Crewe, Milton Keynes Central and London Euston. off they go, 221 108 and 221 105. Right, about to depart out now, about 4 minutes late, is 1448 Arriva Trains Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly, formed of 882 308 on the front. It's kind of the electric HS or H possibly 882 308 on the front. Anyway, it's a Arriva Trains Wales HST service, one of them. With a DB freight 67010 on the rear. Well, coming in over there on platform 1, it is a terminating -2 from Crewe. I think it's 150-242, I believe it is. Yes, 150-242. And it's not terminating on platform 1, it's terminating on platform 4. No, it is platform 1. Well, I'm standing on platform 4, it's platform 1 over there. Anyway, that's terminating from Crewe. Right, arriving in now is the 1456 Arriva Trains Wales service to Llandudno from Manchester Airport. Coming in about 2 minutes after it was meant to depart. It's 175114. Heading down there onto platform 3B. Right, departing out now is 150-242 on the 1455 service to Crewe. Delayed by about 4.5 minutes while waiting for a Llandudno service to come in. But waiting for 175. Calling it Crewe only. And also coming in behind me is a terminating Merseyrail service from Liverpool Central, which I'll go and film departing in a moment. Anyway, 150-242 heading off to Crewe only. Right, departing out now is 142041 on the 1502 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly. Starting here, 142041. And I'm pretty sure I've seen that sunward before, but though I can't remember exactly where it was that I did see it. Right, also departing out now is the slightly delayed 1501 Merseyrail service to Liverpool Central, formed of 508114. Heading to Liverpool Central via Port Sunlight. It will then do a loop around the Liverpool stations after Liverpool Central, going to Moorfields, Liverpool Lime Street. No, I think it's St Liverpool James Street, Moorfields, Liverpool South, no, Liverpool Lime Street, Liverpool Central, Liverpool James Street, and then coming back down the line back here to Chester. Right, coming in now, we've got a pair of terminating services. Coming in on my left Onto platform 6 is a terminating Pacer, a terminating northern service from Manchester to Piccadilly, which is formed of 142043, while also terminating in we've got a Virgin Trains service from London Euston, formed of 221102. Coming, that's from London Euston. There we go. Right, coming in now is a terminating Merseyrail service from Liverpool Central, 508-108. Right, departing out now is 508-108. Where 508-108 is on the 1515 service to Liverpool Central. With back has the first stop, followed by Cable and Hurst. Somewhere down the line is Port Sunlight, and eventually heading round into Liverpool Central before coming back down the line back here to Chester. Right, coming in now is an Arriva Trains Wales service from Birmingham International to Holyhead, formed of a double pairing of class 158s. On the front is 158820. And on the rear is 158823. I believe that they're going to reverse, which will mean 158823 will be on the front as it heads off to Holyhead. Well, obviously would because the Virgin Trains Voyager is down there on platform 3, and when I came in earlier, the Holyhead service that I was on went back down that way, so, and other services from Holyhead have come from that way, so there we go. Right, departing out now is the 1525 Arriva Trains Wales service to Holyhead from Birmingham International. And something that I did notice is that 158823, this is now at the front of that. That's already trying to get rid of the scars that it has of Arriva Trains Wales, because they started debranding and trying to get rid of any reference to Arriva Trains Wales. Anyway, coming in here is 507005 with a terminating Merseyrail service from Liverpool Central, 507005, which you can just about see behind the trees. Right, coming in now is another 158 unit, and that's on 1536 Arriva Trains Wales service to Birmingham International from Holyhead. Actually heading into platform 2, this one. 158832. here we go. Right, coming in now is a double pairing of Virgin Trains 221s, which will be on the 15:35 service to London Euston from Holyhead. (221-109) on the front. And on the rear is 221-118. Right, departing out is 507-005. And that's on the 15:31 Merseyrail service to Liverpool Central. Right, departing out there, 221-109 and 221-118 with the 15:38 Virgin Train service to London Euston from Holyhead. And as that one departs out, I'm going to end my briefish video from Chester here. If you have liked what you've seen here at Chester, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below, because I'll get back to them as and when I can. And as always, any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comments. Like, Chester's been a pretty good station to film at. The station itself is actually fantastic, with the old canopy that I'm stood under right now here on platform 4, and with those kind of mini things down there, many waiting many shelters that covering the lower end of the other end. Like the views down towards Manchester and London that way, and then towards Holyhead and Liverpool that way, and then down to Wrexham as well, down that way. Is all pretty good. My next Trains at video will probably be from Liverpool South Parkway, and my next station check-in will come from Shotton, for which I'm getting the 1600 service too. So, well, I do have about 20 minutes, but I want to get a couple of things sorted before I do go on that 1600 service. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video here from Chester. I hope you will agree that has been a fantastic station. Lots of great variety of stuff, and it's fantastic to see Merseyrail, a new operator. Well, not new. I think they've been around for a few years. Well, new as in it's actually the first time I've seen them, so that's pretty interesting. And with 507 and 508 units So they're interesting as well. With Virgin Trains, with the 221s that come up here, as has this part is it's not electrified, so it would be the diesel 221s that's on the services up here. Arriva Trains Wales with the 175s and 158s, and then the 150 on the crew services, and a couple of northern paces as well. So that's pretty interesting as well. Anyway, I know I've been talking on a little while, so thank you guys for watching my video from Chester. My next video will be the station check-in from Shotton, and my next train sat will be Liverpool South Parkway. Most likely anyway, Liverpool South Parkway. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you all in my station check-in from Shotton. Cheerio.